Alright guys, here I am again working on this. The kit requires you to relocate the battery, and for me that meant a ton of wiring. So that's what I've been working on today, and quite frankly it took me about all day to get it where I'm at now, but some of it I just can't hook up yet. But I added this block. These go to my fog lights. Can't really hook those up. This here goes to the Phytech. Can't hook that up. This is my starter lead. This goes to my AC compressor, which I'll loom and make correct once I get the motor back in it. It's pretty straightforward job. It's a lot of work, but it's doable for sure. I did put it back down so I didn't have to be on a ladder to do all that wiring. So this is the first time it sat down since I put the K member in. It's just got a couple bolts in each wheel, just enough to hold it up. Man, what a ton of work, but I'm getting there. As far as these videos go, I ain't much on this kind of stuff. I just figured somebody could get some useful information out of this. I mean, there's really nothing on YouTube about this install, so it's pretty straightforward, but like I said, it's a ton of work. And I don't know should I hold the camera like this, I don't know which way to go. Please let me know in the comments. Anyways, have a nice day.